welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're looking at the ALLPOWERS SP012 foldable 100 watt solar panel charger. As you can see guys, it is very compact and it only weighs just over 2 kilos. It does use the monocrystalline cells, and the absolute beauty for me is guys that you're actually able to charge your phone or your laptop directly from that unit because it already has a USB port built in. You don't actually even need to use any of the generators, but of course you're also able to charge your generators using the cable supplied. So guys, without further ado, let's have a look to see what it comes with in the box. So guys, this is the accessories that came with the panel. So first of all, we have a little user manual. It's not rocket science, but there's some basic information is there. Main thing here, you've got the DC output cable. Okay, this is what you would use to charge your either laptops or your other solar generators. The beauty of that, guys, they actually supplied you here a whole selection of different bullet connectors to suit either one of the solar generators or the laptops, and that just pretty much caters for majority. And all you got to do guys, which is I think is pretty cool, you just unclip that in and then you clip it and you have your cable that's relevant to whatever you're currently charging. Another thing which I think is absolutely brilliant guys, you actually have your charging cables to charge your battery on your vehicle, be it a boat or the car, and I think it's absolutely amazing. What a good idea. We're talking about the portable solar panel guys. You can be taking it anywhere you go, and just to be able to have this in your car and just be able to, you know, charge your battery if you really need it, I think it's a really good idea. So it is, again, it's very self-explanatory, but it gives you some information in the manual how to use that. Another thing it comes with guys, comes with a little micro USB cable, okay, and again a really good thing guys, it comes with 4 of those little pretzel type clips. As you will see later on guys, you have the multiples of hooks on the panel, so that means that we can actually hang our panel, be it on the tent or on the van or whatever else you feel like it. So having those things, it is absolutely bonus. So now let's have a look at the panel itself. So guys, let's have a closer look. So first of all guys, on the inside we have ourselves a little pocket. I think it's pretty handy considering when you hang this, you can actually put your mobile phone in there whilst it's charging, which is I think is really good idea. Secondly, let's have a look here. We've got our little solar controller. Okay, on the side here guys, we have a little light that indicates to us, and it goes green when we're taking a solar charge. Here we have ourselves the 18-volt DC outlet. This is what you'll be using to plug in to charge your laptop or your solar generator. In here we have 2 USB, which is absolutely bonus. And on the side here, guys, we have a parallel port as well. So that means you can plug in and piggy bank up to 4 of those units together. So let's get this now unraveled so you get to have a look. So guys, here we are. This is unfolded. So it is approximately 1 meter by 1 meter. Plus the flab a little bit here. As I mentioned, okay, it comes with the little hooks and you do have 12 of them, which is I think is really good idea. Bearing in mind as well though guys, this panel, it only weighs just over 2 kilos. So 12 hooks gives you kind of a lot of flexibility and options where you want to hang it. We played around and luckily we actually have a tent that has the poles on the outside. So we actually managed to be able to clip the panel to the tent, and what a great idea. If you're going camping guys, you're not particularly able to take yourself a massive solar panel, not that you would want to anyway, but the having flexibility of being able to take something like this, it is brilliant. So the idea is guys, with any solar panels, to use 100 watts, it have to be aimed at the sun correctly, and it have to be totally clear skies and obviously a blazing sunshine. Unfortunately, we haven't had the blazing sunshine for a very long time, but even on an overcast day, we still managed to get 70 watts, which I think was absolutely brilliant. The whole point and the whole idea I like of it, because the little panels are individual, so when we hang it on the tent, some of it didn't particularly hang particularly straight, however, we managed to harvest a lot of solar power. At the same time as well, quite often we go camping on a van, so I managed to strap it to the van door. Again, it's super easy. Whether you have a roof racks or you just have your door bits, so long as you use your clips, you can just hang it off. And again, the angle is not particularly ideal, but the whole fact, it actually takes power, and it takes a lot of it even on a cloudy day. So I must say guys, I'm actually very impressed. And don't forget, this is not just limited to whether you just go camping. For example, even if you have a boat, you can just lay it down on the deck somewhere. You know, you can still lay it down on the floor and you'll still take a lot of charge. So the possibilities are endless, guys. The whole fact that it is super foldable and portable and actually very, very light, this makes this absolutely superb. So I do hope, guys, you enjoyed this video. Well, thank you ALLPOWERS for supplying this one, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.